Very good morning, class 12. So, let's start with today's class. So, today we are going to revise the writing skill portion, and that too short composition of invitations and their replies. Right? We have already discussed about this topic in depth. We have already discussed about that we are having formal and informal categories. And under that formal and informal, we are having invites and their replies, as the topic itself says. And under reply also, we are having acceptance or decline. We need to give the reason for the decline also. So this is the outline which you need to know. So question would specify that what kind of invitation you need to prepare. And I suppose question is not saying any particular word, formal or informal. It's just saying draft an invitation. Then choice would be of yours only totally. But 95% to 99% words have been given to you, formal or informal, invitation or reply you need to prepare. Now let's revise the formal invitation first. Now remember, formal invitation in the form of a card. It would not be in the form, you would not use first person pronoun. With that, everything will be in a box. Next thing what you need to understand is you would not write everything in a paragraph. You're noticing here? Everything is in a center. This is one long sentence divided or segregated into different parts, but this is one whole sentence and written absolutely in the middle, in the mid part, not in the paragraph, not in the left or right side. You have seen the invitation cards at your home, so you're much aware about these facts. So let's discuss. There is one invitation card you need to prepare that Mr. and Mrs. R.K. Tiwari. Their son's 21st birthday is there and they are inviting the members. They are inviting their friends and family for that birthday party. So what we need to write it, at the top, we need to write the first host name. As I have written, Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Tiwari. Cordially invite. So you need to specify because you are inviting them. Now here would be the guest name, Mrs. and Mr. Jain. Not necessary to write guest name, I am repeating it, but host name is very, very important. Guest name you can exclude if you can. But I have written host name Mrs. and Mr. R.K. Tiwari. Cordially invite Mrs. and Mr. M.R. Jain. Now where they are inviting, you need to give that thing also. They are inviting, okay, I am inviting you somewhere, but where and for what occasion? On which date, time, venue, everything I need to specify. To celebrate 21st birthday in the next line of their son, and in the next line the name of that son, Rahul. So inviting to celebrate 21st birthday of their son Rahul. Now you have told the occasion. Now you need to mention about the date, time and venue. That is 27 November 2020, 7 p.m. in the evening you are telling, and their residence. So resident because they might know about where you live. If not at the residence, then you can specify the particular venue, the banquet or the hotel where you have booked it. Then in the next line, you can even mention about theme also. That any theme is there for that party, birthday party. You can mention about it. Any gifts or any activities, any fun activities will be there. Then on the left hand side, RSVP and the address of the host. That it basically means RSVP, as I mentioned, it's a French word basically here. So address basically we are giving that if any problem, address and contact number that you are telling, that if any problem or any inquiry is there, you can call us or you can visit at our place. Although I have written here residence only, but you can mention about any banquet or something. So that's why we need to mention RSVP. And then you need to enclose your box. So I really hope this is clear to you. Formal invitation, host name is important. Next line you're inviting them. Then guest name if you want. Then tell the occasion, then date, time, venue, and remember everything in the mid, but in different parts you need to write. I really hope it's clear to you. If any doubt, please ask. Now next part for this. We can share it in the other video. Like I can give you one more example. Suppose one school is inviting you for the annual function or the annual sports day, as I mentioned. So at the top, the principal, staff, management, right? Of next school, then you will mention the name of that school. Then you're telling, you're inviting, right? Inviting for which occasion? For the annual sports in the next line. Then the next few lines, write on date, time, venue. And there you can mention the chief guest here. This question I'm giving you also, you need to do it, right? So any doubt, please ask, clear your queries, because this is one of the very important questions. Mandatory, this question will come in the boards as per the new pattern, right? Any doubt, clear it out and send the worksheet time.